Thank you. We move on to the next on the list, and it is the Caspian Information Center. Please, the floor is yours.
Honorable Chairman and distinguished participants, my name is Abid Gafarov, Caspian Information Center from Azerbaijan. Firstly, about the topic, a few words on the concept of freedom of expression. From the moment of my conception within my mother's womb, it can be said that I was granted the rights to life, sustenance, and health by God or nature, how you want to like it to call it. Upon my birth, the same, I was granted the freedom, right for freedom. And when I grew up to the age of 2 or 3 years, I was granted the right to speak and express myself freely. Therefore, it can be affirmed that the foundation of the freedom of speech and expression doesn't stem from the state or government, but rather originates from the divine or natural order. We express ourselves in various ways, whether through spoken words or choice of attire, affiliation with a political party, selections of the religion to practice, participation in elections, and more. As we observe, freedom of expression is an integral component of democracy. Without it, the governance of a nation will not be by the people, and power will fall into the hands of others, but certainly not the people. Turning our attention to the situation in Azerbaijan, the right to freedom of expression was eroded many years ago, primarily through the manipulation and falsifications of the election results in different categories, even into the municipal elections. Nonetheless, for years, political and social activists persisted and are addressing these issues, engaging in debates and striving to educate the public in order to reignite trust in elections and freedom of expression. Regrettably, these efforts were met with resistance from government. They enacted new media laws that made it exceedingly difficult to enter the so-called media register and operate as a journalist. Independent YouTube channels were forcibly shut down through the arrest of their owners and hosts. My own channel, Kim TV, ceased to function following my arrest, and Khural TV faced limitations after its owner, Abid Gafarov, was arrested. So, just quick list of the arrested journalists in order for you to imagine the situation. İlham Aslanoglu, journalist of our information center, Abid Zeynallı, Bakhtiyar Hacıyev, Polat Aslanov, Elfin İsayev, Elnur Şükürov, Mahir Ələkbərov, Əfqan Xanaliyev, Cəmil Məmmədli, Osman Nərimanoglu, Nurlan Qəhrəmanlı, Aslan Qurbanov, and Rəşad Ramazanov, and many more. Furthermore, a new law was enacted to compel the re-registration of political parties, so it ended up shutting down the politics which are not operating in accordance with the government. Also, religious people are being arrested by false charge on drug dealing. Number of arrested people is huge, but we could make the statistic for 100 people, 50 people only, and families of rest of them are threatened to keep silence. The last but not the least, internet sources are limited after events took place in Karabakh, and TikTok is still restricted. Thank you for your attention.
And thank you for your life-spanning contribution.